Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to launch EC2 instance in AWS step by step. So just go and log in. So I'm signing in here and I am using I am username, and this is my root account alias name. What is this and how to create account, root account or user account. I will show you and I will teach you. IAM service. Okay, so today we will see how to launch a machine in AWS using EC2 service. Now can you see MFA? It will send a code. So we need to install one Google Authenticator app in mobile. So there you will send a code. So go and open that and just send the code which is sent, put it here. Now it will show you. After login, you will see this kind of interface. So now, can you see this one? This is account ID. This is account ID, account name, and user. See, I am user. So this I am user service, I am service. We will see in upcoming lectures. Okay. So and the important thing is from where the location which is near to your. So I am living near to Mumbai. So select the Mumbai region. So where is your nearest location? Select that region. What is region and what is availability zone? We will see. Okay. So now we are interested in EC2 service. So click EC2. Once you will click in EC2 in the search box, you will see this service. This service virtual servers in the cloud. If you want to create a machine in the cloud, so we can take the help of EC2. So go and click here. Once you click, there in the left hand side you will see many things here. So we will see everything, but today I will show you how to launch a machine. And this is the dashboard. I will explain you. Just let me tell you the how to create instance, launch an instance. So now can you see there is no instance running as of now. Either you can click here to launch a machine, or either click here. So I'm clicking the launch instances. Once you will click here, now see Amazon EC2 is a service. Elastic Compute Cloud allows you to create a virtual machine or instances. You can say instances or is a virtual machines that runs on the cloud. In AWS cloud it will run. And so first, very important, just give the name. If you are not giving the name also, then it's also okay, because if you have 100 machine or 200 machine, so it will be easy to identify this machine is for what purpose. Okay, for that I'm giving my machine, my Linux machine. Okay, I'm giving my Linux first machine of my Linux or instance Linux. What name you can use any name. Next, can you see this application OSI Amazon machine image? It's a template actually, which containing your operating system plus necessary things to launch machine in AWS cloud. So I am dealing with Amazon Linux. You can select any operating system here. It's not an operating system actually, it's an AMI. It's an image which contain the operating system and necessary things. Okay, so in this Windows I will show you in upcoming videos. Now I am selecting the Amazon machine image which is of Linux type. Next important thing, instance type. What is instance type? Which is nothing but it will ask you that what configuration you want, like 2 CPU want or 4 CPU, 1 CPU, 1 GB, that kind of information you need to put here. So as of now, see, it's showing 2 CPU. So it's not really we need here 2 CPU. I can go with the T2 Nano with 1 CPU, 0.5 GB memory, or either you can go T2.micro. Here you will get one CPU and 1 GB memory. So this one is okay. But for the first time, if you'll create your account, you will get a $200 credit. That is free. You can use these services. But important thing is, based on the requirement, select this one. So I am selecting T2 micro. After that, key pair. This is very important again. You can use a key pair securely connect to your instances. See, so once you will key pair, it will you need to create here. Already I have here. There are many, but I will not take this one. I will create for you. So you will understand that how to create a new key pair. Once you will create, the public one saved in the AWS and the private it will be saved by in your machine. So key pair type, either you can select RSA or ED1, but this one is recommended. So I am selecting RSA, and the type, the format type is what, PAM and PPK. So guys, I am selecting the PAM file. Can you see the PuTTY also here? So the PPK, if you will select, then you will use a PuTTY. So what I will do, in my case, we will select the PAM file, and if you want to connect through the PuTTY, then I will convert this PAM file to PuTTY. That we will show you. Create new key pair. Once you will click here, the important thing is you to give name. So I am giving AWS Linux. Okay. Or you can say AWS, any name you can give. AWS key. Okay. Once you create, now you can see here, see it is created, AWS key. So here also done. Next important thing, very important thing is networking part. So once I will show you VPC service, then you will understand how to create our own VPC, our own subnet and everything. So but here I will not go in the deep here. Now can you see this default VPC? Select the default VPC, virtual private cloud. Okay. Next, subnet. Subnet is nothing but the bigger network we are dividing for our security purpose. We are dividing, so that is known as subnet, and I will show you in VPC everything. So here by default in Mumbai region there are 3 subnet. I can say you can select either of these 3, but I am selecting the first one, which is that, and this subnet should be inside the VPC itself only. If it is not in the VPC, then you will not be able to connect it. Okay, understand that. I will show you in VPC. Can you see this AP South 1B? I am selected. Okay, next, auto assign AP. Don't disable it. If you disable, then you cannot connect your machine, AWS machine, through your local machine. Okay, so make it public, because you are connecting through the internet. So in internet you need public IP. So enable it. Now firewall is important. How in your laptop we have firewall turn on, so same thing here only in AWS also. So I am selecting the default one. We can create our own security group in VPC. I will show you in VPC service. So as of now I am dealing with the default. I selected default VPC and I selected default security group, and I selected the one subnet. Okay, so what is VPC, what is subnet, and how to create a security group our own, I will show you in VPC service, guys. Next important thing, advanced networks configuration also. Now no need of going into that. And configuration storage, see how much when you log in your, when you launch a machine, so it will give you by default 8 GB or 10 GB if you select the Linux. If you select Windows, you will get by default 30, and the type of this is GP3. Yeah, either you can select the which is enabled, you can select it, but it is giving GP3. So by default I'm selecting this one, and it's a root volume. Okay, root volume, you already know that once you log in any operating system you will start, then you will get one volume. So that is root volume and it is not encrypted type. Now you can add a volume here, which is extra. If based on a requirement, you can add a volume, new volume here. So I will show you in new how to add volume also. And next important thing is how number of instances. Can you see here? How many machine you want to launch? I am interested in only one machine. So it's giving here. See how nice AWS given. You can launch 100 machines also at a time. But I am interested in one machine. Which image you took? Amazon image. Which instance type? T2 micro, which is containing 1 CPU and 1 GB memory. And a default firewall. Everything is here. So you can preview the code also to understand. Now I am launch a machine. Once you launch, we successfully launch a machine. Nice. Okay. Now go here instances. Everything it will come here. Okay. See in name of the machine. Every time it will give you ID. Instance state is running with selected type T2 micro, and status check is as of now initializing. Once it's done, it will show you pass, and see everything here is there. So now machine we successfully launch in AWS Cloud, guys. See instance is running. So now what I will do, I will show you how to connect this machine using software called PuTTY. So how to download, I will show you, not now, in later videos. So already have a software called PuTTY. I have PuTTY, but what I will do, can you see guys, PuTTYgen? So I selected the PAM file. So if you want to connect through the PuTTY, so you want to do it what? Go here. First load that PAM file. See all files, and that will show you this is the PAM file. I loaded it, and then I'm converting this PAM file into the PPK file so that PuTTY software can connect. Now save this private file key. Don't select the public key, select private key. Done. Now give the name of the like this AWS keys. Okay, and it's a ppk file, and save anywhere, but save in a folder so that you can reuse it that file. As of now saving the desktop. Save it. Done. So we successfully convert the PAM file into the ppk file. Now guys, you can see here status checks 2x2 check pass. It means your running your machine is okay and is ready to go. In the downside, can you see, once you click this one, if you check box, when you click, then you will see this one, the details, status and alarm, monitoring, security, networking, storage and tags. So guys, you already know this security, we took the default one. Networking already I will show you, we will see in the VPC. Alarm in cloud, I will show you alarm status and alarm. So now machine is running, I want to connect it. And next important thing is go to security. In security, there is a two inbound and outbound rules. So by default, inbound is DENY. So any traffic is coming through your network, it is doesn't allow it. We need to give the permission. So go to the inbound rules, edit inbound rules. So as of now, I am deleting SSH, RDP. Okay. As of now, let it be this one HTTP. So I'm adding a rule, add rule. So I am connecting to PuTTY. PuTTY wants protocol SSH and is connecting through the range. So I'm allowing this anyone which connect with the SSH port number 22 and custom. You can select anywhere IPv4 or there is no IPv6 as of now. I'm not going to. We are not dealing with this one. And if you're connecting from your laptop, connect my IP and save rule changes. Now go to your, we're done with the security also, because by default is asking inbound and outbound. Inbound is by default doesn't allow, you need to allow. So go to the PuTTY and open this software. Now to give the host IP name which is running in the cloud, the machine which you launch. Okay, so go here, select this details, and guys select the public IP, don't select the private IP address. Okay, because private cannot connect to the internet. Select the public IP address, go to your PuTTY software, and guys here just paste it. The important thing is the go to the SSH. In SSH, can you see the go auth credential? In credential private key, the key which you generated, that key you need to pass it so that it will match AWS match public key and the private key, and then it will launch your machine which we created AWS keys, right? Select this to this one, open it, open, accept. Now by default Linux, if you go for the Amazon Linux or Red Hat, it will give you username EC2-user. Click. Congratulations, we successfully launched a machine and connected through the PuTTY software. Can you see this IP address 172.31.8.187 and go to the AWS, and you can see the private IP address of the machine 172.31.8 and 187. It means you successfully launch a machine and we connect it to the PuTTY software. And here we need to do some Linux operations. So we do, as of now I'm not showing you Linux command. In upcoming videos I will show you how to do the Linux command. If you want to see which our directory, so you can do this sudo command. I am in EC2 user, see, is a present working directory. It's a command of the in the Linux. So all such things we will see when Linux videos I will upload. Okay, and the next important thing is, when you're done with the practical, the most important thing is you need to go here and stop. If you stop, then there's no any bill will be generated, guys, and if you terminate it, it means everything will be terminated, then there is no kind of bill. So this is very important. Once you're done with the practical, every time once you're done with the practical, just go and terminate it. If you want to work after 1 or 2 hour or any time, and it's then stop it, otherwise just terminate this. And what is the rest here, I will show you in upcoming videos. Okay, so I done with the showing you the practical of how to launch a machine with and showing you the Linux machine. In other videos I will show you how to launch Windows machine. So guys, just terminate this, terminate it. Once you terminate, it will show you the state. Okay, now shutting down. Once it's shutting down, it will show terminate. So there's a state like pending, running, shutting down, terminate, and once you will stop, it will show you stopping and stop. So 6 states are there. Next thing, go to the dashboard. Always go to dashboard. Now get dashboard, just refresh it and first check it. Any instances, any virtual machine is running or not in the AWS cloud. First confirm it before going to sign out or before going to, yeah, now can you see there's no machine, there's no running. And important thing is, I will show you in next videos what is elastic IP. The key pairs are created 6, and next thing is load balancer 0, security group is 1. A very important, volume must be 0. There is no instance running, and it's showing instance 1. After some time it will be 0, but it will take to, but the important thing is no running instances. Okay, so I think I'm finishing this video, stopping this video. In upcoming videos I will show you how to launch Windows machine and little bit more we will see. Okay, so thanks for watching this video.